make some Mexican corn dip with us, guys. Dusty, as y'all know, is quite pregnant, and she wants some corn dip. So we're gonna make corn dip. We're using 3 cans of Mexican corn, and this is the smaller can, 11-ounce cans. Boy, that corn smells so good. You can use the bigger ones though. It's okay, guys. It's quite all right. And to that, we're gonna add 1 can of chopped jalapenos. Whoops. And you don't have to add the whole can. I'm gonna hold off a little bit because I don't know if she can take it. 1 can of green chilies. Of course, she loves hot food. Loves hot food. Okay, and then we're gonna add, and that may not go in there. Okay. We're gonna add a cup of mayonnaise, which I'm just gonna, I did have my measuring cup out here, but we're just gonna eyeball a cup of mayonnaise. Okay, cup of mayonnaise. And then a cup of sour cream. Again, we're just gonna eyeball it. Because it'd be quite all right if you get just a little more. And y'all know, I add chili to everything. Now chili, in the original recipe, chili is definitely not in there. But I add chili to everything. So we're gonna add a little bit, just a little bit. Just a little sprinkle of chili powder, because I love it. Then we're gonna add about a teaspoon of cumin, because this is a Mexican corn dip. And then we're gonna add about a teaspoon of garlic powder. And then we're just gonna put some black pepper in there. Not really measure that. Okay, and then that's it, guys. You just stir it up, and you have you some corn dip. That is delicious. Now, I don't have my chips over here to taste it with. Dusty and them have the chips over there, so I must not have drained my corn quite good enough, but that's okay too. And you can put a little less of all the stuff. Guys, this is really kind of made to taste. Because, you know, you may not like mayonnaise that well. You may not care for sour cream that much. You may not care for the jalapenos at all. Leave them out. I mean, it's just up to you. Very good. You can put this in the refrigerator. Let it sit for, you know, overnight or whatever, a couple hours to get cold. You can add more corn. I actually think Sonny has a can of Mexican corn over there, and I probably will add it because I like a little more corn. I should have went a little lighter on my mayonnaise and my sour cream, but hey, it's okay. But there it is, guys. Awesomely good. And that's not hot at all, I really think. I'm gonna pour off that little bit of juice out of those jalapenos. And I'm fixing to add them because that's not hot at all. At all, that's not. So we're gonna add those jalapenos in there. So that was a 6-ounce can of jalapenos, 6-ounce can of chopped green chilies, 3 cans of corn, which I said I'm gonna add another corn can over there because I think Sonny has the Mexican corn. And then a teaspoon of cumin, teaspoon of chili, garlic powder, and I always add chili powder to everything. I'm gonna do that to taste. Just a sprinkle of black pepper to taste. Oh, I forgot my salt. It's sitting right here beside me. Gotta have salt. And I'm gonna say probably about a half a teaspoon of salt. And there you go, guys. But I think Sonny does have a can of corn, so I'm gonna add that when I get it over there to their house, okay? All right, I love you guys. Y'all spread it out, and we will, Lord willing, talk to y'all later, okay? Bye, guys.